Top 10 Biggest Snakes in the World. The world is home to a mesmerizing variety of snake species, each with its own unique characteristics, sizes, and hunting capabilities. While many of us might fear these reptiles, they are fascinating creatures deserving of respect and understanding. The fearsome black mamba. The black mamba is Africa's largest venomous snake, measuring between 7.2 and 14.11 feet in length. Despite its name, the black mamba is rarely black, often displaying olive, brown, green, or gray colors. This snake is not just lengthy, but also remarkably fast, capable of reaching speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour. Known for its aggressive nature, the black mamba can strike without provocation, and its venom can cause a human to collapse within 30 minutes if untreated. The majestic king cobra. Residing in Asia, the king cobra is one of the longest venomous snakes globally, growing up to 18.7 feet long and weighing up to 9 kilograms. Male king cobras are generally larger than females. Though not the most venomous globally, a bite from a king cobra can cause death within 15 minutes due to the high levels of neurotoxins. This efficient predator can kill up to 20 people with a single bite. King cobras primarily eat other snake species, lizards, and smaller mammals. In Vietnam, they are protected, with specialized organizations like the King Cobra Conservancy working to preserve their habitats. The giant reticulated python. The largest reticulated python ever recorded was 28.5 feet long and weighed 145 kilograms. Despite their size and aggressive reputation, these pythons typically do not harm humans unless provoked. Medusa, a reticulated python in Kansas City, holds the record as the longest snake kept in captivity at 25 feet long and 158.8 kilograms as of 2011. This python can swallow prey a quarter of its length and equal to its weight. The formidable Burmese python. Native to the grassy marshes of South Asia, Burmese pythons grow up to 25 feet long and weigh around 90 kilograms. They transition from arboreal to terrestrial as they mature and are skilled swimmers, able to stay submerged for 30 minutes. Despite poor eyesight, these pythons utilize chemical receptors and heat sensors to capture prey, which includes birds, small mammals, and occasionally larger animals like goats and even alligators. The prehistoric Titanoboa. The Titanoboa, which lived 600 million years ago, was the largest snake to ever exist, measuring 42 feet long and weighing 1,133 kilograms. Its remains were discovered in a Colombian coal pit, indicating it as the top predator of its time. Scientists believe the Titanoboa acted like a gigantic anaconda, primarily hunting fish, crocodiles, and turtles. Its size is an indicator of a warmer tropical climate than previously thought. The enigmatic eastern diamondback. The eastern diamondback is North America's deadliest venomous snake and is considered one of the heaviest. One particularly large specimen measured 7 feet and weighed 15 kilograms. With the longest fangs of any rattlesnake, the eastern diamondback can inject enough venom to kill 3 adult humans. Although deadly, it usually avoids humans and attacks only in defense. The mighty African rock python. Native to sub-Saharan Africa, the African rock python grows up to 20 feet long. In 1958, a 4.9 feet juvenile Nile crocodile was discovered in the stomach of one such python. These snakes are infamous for human attacks, encircling victims and constricting them. They lay up to 100 eggs in old animal burrows or caves, protecting them for 2 weeks after hatching. The Australian amethystine python. The amethystine python is distributed across Papua New Guinea, Australia, and Indonesia. Larger adults can grow up to 28 feet long, with females weighing between 15 to 30 kilograms. The colossal green anaconda. The green anaconda, the heaviest snake in the world, weighs 227 kilograms and measures 8.43 meters long. These non-venomous snakes are found in Trinidad and South America, predominantly in slow-moving water bodies. With eyes and nostrils positioned on their heads for submerged visibility, green anacondas feed on diverse prey, including deer, capybara, and jaguars. They use their long bodies to constrict and suffocate their victims. The well-known boa constrictor. Boa constrictors are identified by distinctive red, tan, green, or yellow markings and can grow up to 13 feet in length. Due to their size, they move in straight lines rather than slithering. Preying on animals like wild pigs, monkeys, and rodents, boas use their muscular bodies to suffocate prey. Their stretchable jaws allow them to consume large animals, with digestion taking up to 6 days.